आज बॉर्डर आशिल्ली म्हूण आयला देखून हांवें 130 डिव्हिजन बेंचा फुडें मेन्शन केली गे म्हूण कित्याक ती अर्जंट कित्याक लोकांक भरपूर त्रास जाता आनी कोर्टान एप्लिकेशन हियरिंगाक येयली मागीर हांवें कोर्टाक सांगलां की हे 10 वर क्रॉस जातरी आजून चालू आसात ते पब्स आनी क्लब्स आनी ते वाजयताय म्युजीक भायर आउटडोर डिस्पायट हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर आनी सगळे टायम टू टायम डायरेक्शन दिले ते सो मागीर हायकोर्टान सांगले ते एक्शन स्ट्रिक्टली घेवपाक जाय बाय द DGP दे आर फिक्स दॅट द DGP वील हॅव टू टेक एक्शन गव्हर्नमेंट एडवोकेटान एक रिपोर्ट दिल्लो दाखोवपाक की ते आमी लिस्ट दिलो ते सगळे भितर चलतात म्हूण पूण हांवें त्या एक टॅबाचे आमी रिकॉर्डिंग सगळे डावनलोड करून दाखयले कोर्टान ओपन कोर्टान पळयले ते आनी सांगलें दिस इज क्लियरली आउटडोर्स मोर एंड नॉट इनडोर्स सो कोर्ट टूक स्ट्रॉंग एक्सेप्शन to the manner in which the police have been handling this matter and I कोर्टा पासून सांगला येसले आफ्टर 10 o'clock चलो जायना विदाउट हाय पेट्रोनेज कोणाचे वयर हें आसपा जाय थिंगा and so the court felt that the DGP should be directed to take immediate action and कोर्टान म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें 3 वरांचे यो म्हूण आनी DGPक आयज मेळ म्हूण विथ द PIs आयज SP पासून आशिल्लो आनी DYSP दलवी आशिल्लो थिंगा आनी PI आयिल्ले आनी हांवें सगळे कोर्टान कितें जालें तें एक्सप्लेन केलें आनी सांगलें डिटेल ऑर्डर कोर्टान पास केलें तें मागीर हांव शेअर करता म्हणून सद्या DGPन सांगलें इट्स अ व्हेरी सिरियस मॅटर एंड इट कॅन नॉट हॅपन देर मस्ट बी सम थिंग वीच इज गोईंग रॉंग सो ही हॅज सेड दॅट ही इज गोइंग टू सीट with this team now which ते आसात थिंगा दे गोइंग टू वर्क आउट द मॉडेलिटी हांवें सांगलां 10 वरांचे तुमी आसपा जाय आमी लिस्ट धाडला खुंयचे 9 स्टार्ट जाता 4 काबार जातात थोडे 10 स्टार्ट जाता आनी 8 सकाळीं काबार जातात सो तुमी एडवर्टिजमेंट घातात आनी तुमकां खबर ना हांवें पासून सांगलां आमची थोडे हांव म्हापशे गेलो तेन्ना लोक वागातोराचे आयिल्ले सांगपा म्हाका की आमचे सोंसू जायना राती पासून पुलीस स्टेशनार गेले अंजुना पुलीस स्टेशन कांय करनात अंजुना PI आशिल्लो हांवें ताका सांगलां ते आयले ना ते म्हणल्यार वय आयिल्ले म्हूण आनी हांवें म्हणल्यार हें चलता तूं वयतात विजीट मारतात तूं परत हिंग वयल्या वरां उपरांत परत स्टार्ट जाता So I said that there should be an hourly monitoring also after 10 o'clock to make sure it is completely closed. And and you'll see mostly these people are in venues being run by foreign nationals with foreign DJs and they don't care for the law. They don't care for the police, they don't care. It has to be with the blessings and connivance of somebody right on top. High Court and pasun DGP direct kela ek report file करपाक म्हूण and High Court has not closed our application. High Court has kept the application pending and he सांगला liberty to move म्हणलो कितें आमकां आतां वेकेशन टायमार आनी कितले इंस्टंट्स आयले जाल्यार आमचे सिंगल जजे फुडें पासून एप्लिकेशन मूव करूं जाता.
Sir, this is not for the first time. Court has given similar direction in past also. But and court has also expressed view that without knowledge of local police, it is not possible. So, what is your concern about the reluctance of local police, more particularly regarding Pernium and Anjuna?
See, these are the golden miles of the tourism belt. So these are the stretches where there's high volume of traffic, and therefore there is high volume of these kind of events and functions, hotels and everything which is going on. With that, you have to understand that the income generated will be high. So I can't believe that it is happening without the blessings of the police. If not the police, there has to be somebody higher than the police who is monitoring, directing and issuing this, that police should turn a Nelson's eye to these kind of things which are going on. I agree, that's not the first time. In fact, the court wanted to issue a notice of contempt to the DGP, but I said don't do that now. We will just request so that it can be done, so that DGP is also put on notice. That is why in this order, the DGP has been personally made liable now and asked to file a report. And I think when you tighten the screws, things will work.
2 days after 10, there will be no music.
I can only hope. I can't believe till it happens.
The police do not take action in these kind of matters. The Supreme Court and High Court have been very strict about rules.
In fact, I had asked the High Court that name the PIs to be responsible, because if there's a violation, the PI will be held up. But the High Court felt we will call the DGP. You understand? So the High Court named the DGP for enforcement of it.
Should offences also be registered against
See, one thing is offense register korpa, 5,000 rupees fine bhorpa, to magi sogale gele. That is, it can't happen.
I mean, the PIs who are responsible to keep this violations at bay, don't you think offences also have been should be registered?
That is dereliction of duty. It will not be strictly a criminal offense. Dereliction of duty. My High Court also said, तुम्ही बेश्टे मागे action घेतात कोणा censure दिलो म्हणटात आणि मागे cover जाता. So this is not right. So it has to be something more serious.
Anything discussed about the role of Goa State Pollution Control Board in this?
This was not today, that was not argued about it. Kita Goa State Pollution Control Board, before I could finish, the court only took up everything and said that this is a very serious matter. And Pollution Control Board, saying kitle gadi aha, kitle staff asa, that is another issue. At least police is there. Police, the court even asked, what are the beat police doing? Court even made a direction there that the DGP should virtually educate these PIs that you don't have to wait for a complaint. You will have to take the matter by yourself. Understanding? Don't wait for a complaint to come.